Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Citibank debit card. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to citi.com and make sure that you have an account first. If you don't, you'll need to go and open an account and of course make sure to open a checking account as example. And as example here, I'm just going to choose regular, etc. And basically just follow the steps to open your account. And if you don't have an account, just come here and use your user ID and password and sign in into your account. If you're using the mobile application, you'll need to download this. Then log in using user ID or Touch ID or even like Face ID if you already enabled that. Or if you don't have an account, register for an account. Now, how to get, as example, your debit card. So, as example, you can open a new tab, type, type apply for a debit card in Citibank. Hit the enter button, and as you can see here, you'll be able to apply for your debit card as example. So as example here, to get your debit card, you'll have to have an account, as we said before. So you'll need to go and have an account. Then you'll have to activate it. Of course, when you just have an account or you just create an account, they will give you a bank card with it, and that's basically your debit card. The only thing that you'll have to do is basically activate it. You can activate it during, as example, this link, and of course, why didn't take us there? So I'll just type here activate like debit card Citibank. It should take us right away into it. Yeah, like this. And all you need to do, just enter your credit card information here, depending on whatever it is. Click on continue. Of course, I entered some random number, so it should not be good. But of course, for you, you'll have to enter your CVV code. Then you'll have to choose like, are you the primary card user, authorized user? And you'll have to enter the last 4 digits of SSN, which is the social security number. Click on continue. They will send you a code as in here as example. So as example here, they told you that they'll send you a code and then you'll be able to enter that code and your card will be activated. Very simple. Then you'll be able to start doing like the transaction with it, pay with it, and a lot of other stuff. And you should be then good to go. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.